Hi there, this is Marissa and I have a new Watch Me Design video for you today. I will begin here in Illustrator by bringing in a public domain image that I downloaded, and I have just used the image trace function to turn it into a vector, and now I am just dragging out the parts from the image that I want. I'm just going to use some of these stars here that were around the edge of this drawing. I will change the colors here, and then I will select them all and open my pattern making tool and make my pattern. So here I've created my pattern and I will export it. I will export it in 2 sizes, I believe, and then I will take it to Photoshop and add some texture and probably change the color on one of them. So there, I've just shrunk it by 50%, and I will export this one as well. And then we will switch to Photoshop here. So I'm bringing in now the PNG I saved from Illustrator. I'm just going to add some texture and then change the background color. I'll save that one, and now I will make another version with the smaller one. Only this time I will use only one color for the stars. And then I will go ahead and add it to my preview just so I can see how things are progressing. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and have a great day.